Hi everybody, this is Transmath Grade 9. This is Unit 5, I believe, Geometry, and this is a quick little lesson on perimeter. And I'm sure you guys have taken this in earlier grades. This should be pretty much just kind of a review kind of thing. This lesson is just going to be on perimeter of squares and rectangles. Of course, a square has all four sides the same. Rectangles, two sides are the same, and then the other two sides are equal to each other as well. So perimeter just means really the distance around, and let me see if I can spell that better, the distance around the object, right? And you need to make sure that all the units are the same. Okay, they should all be in meters or all in inches or all in centimeters or millimeters or what have you. Okay, just double check to make sure that they are all the same. Okay, so here is, oh, I think I skipped one page there. So for squares, it's pretty straightforward. Squares, the sides are all the same. So this is just going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which of course is 20. This one would be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which of course is 32. Is there another way, an easier way than adding? Yes, of course there is. We would just multiply, right? And there's 4 sides. So it's going to be 4 times the side length, S. So this in this case would be 4 times 5, which would be 20, right? That's what multiplying is. It's just adding up. We got 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. It adds up to 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so this one here, here we have a rectangle, right? So in this case here, it's going to be 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. 6 and 4 is 10. That 6 and 4 is 10. 20. Okay. If you're looking for a formula, it's going to be the perimeter is equal to 2 times the length. That should be a plus. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So I guess that's just the formula. So let's see if we got an example here. If we don't, we're just going to look straight at a combo. So when you've got a sort of a combination figure like this, you're going to have to actually add up all the sides. I suggest put a mark, put an X or something so that you don't end up going farther or not all the way around. So we're going to have 12 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7. Okay. And if you need a calculator to figure that out, that's fine. 12 and 4 is 16, and 5 is 21. 3 and 7 is 10, so that's going to be 31, and 7 is 38. And you'll notice that there are no units here, so we can't really put a unit on our perimeter. Okay, so just add up all the different sides. Sometimes you don't have all the sides. So for example, over here, we don't have all the sides. So we're going to have to do a little bit of figuring out stuff here. If this whole side here is 7, and this is 3, this side here is going to be 7 minus 3, which is 4. This side right here is going to be 14 from there to there. 14 minus 8, which of course is 6. Okay, so now we're going to add those all up. So we got 14 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7. Started in that corner. 14 and 4 and 6 is 10. And 14 is 24, and 3 is 27. 35, 42 is our perimeter. The perimeter is 42. Okay, sometimes the questions may be in word problem format. I'll just leave this one for now because the next lesson is going to be on word problems. Okay, so there's a few questions online here on Schoology where all you got to do is find the perimeter of squares and rectangles. So go ahead and do that.